can't stand to hear the sound of a train. Do you hear it? Oh. How many trains went by with my daughter's lifeless body in the water on the trestle? How many trains went by and blew that horn and didn't know she was there? I can't stand to hear a train whistle. It makes me crazy. Absolutely crazy. Hear it. I mean, what I'm trying to capture is not, you know, the maple tree is not where my daughter died. But there were several trains that went by when no one knew that her body was in the river. And that's what makes me crazy. There's a trestle that runs over the place where her body was found. This is my street where I live. But anyway, I just hate the sound of the trains. I hate it. When I come out in the morning to let my dog out, I hear them go. I hear them like now. It's like 8:30 or something like that, 8:15 or whatever time it is in Central Standard Time. But, oh. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. The sound of the trains.